Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. So today we're using all bright. We're getting ready to varnish this boat, and we're using all bright made by All Grip. And let me just show you, if you're in an area where you don't have a measuring cup to do your measurement, all bright is 2 parts of the base to 1 part of the converter. So if you ever mix in and you don't have a measuring cup, this cup has all the different measurements on there. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 6 to 1. But just in case you don't have a measuring cup, get a container. It could be, this is just like a medicine cup, and this is a 2-ounce measuring cup, a medicine cup. And 2 of these with the base, then you pour it in a mixing container, and then 1 of the converter, and it just simplifies everything for you. So here it goes. I'm gonna fill this up to the top. So this is 1. I pour it in my mixing cup. I fill it up a second time, and I pour it in. Now I go to the converter and I fill it in. It's 2 to 1, so I fill it in with the converter. That's just a simple way of doing your mixture if you don't have a measuring cup. It could be anything. It could be a spoon, it could be a cover of a container, a cover of anything, a spoon. 2 to 1, and that does it. You really got to follow the correct ratio so that the product hardens and you doesn't have any failure. So you have to follow the manufacturer's ratio guidelines. 2 to 1 or 1 to 1, or you know. Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Stay tuned. tips are finally coming off. There she is. Trident. Doing final little cleanup. You've got 3 coats of all bright and all the bright work. Rail, handrails, and everything. She's looking good. She's for sale. Hello subscribers, this is a follow-up of John Carpenter, who painted his boat DIY using Alexil 501 top coat. I was sanding and I looked up and I saw John in his boat. She's in the water looking nice and pretty. I like it. So congratulations to John on a job well done. Cool.
From Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I am the proud product of Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we are in the business of working smarter, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe.